To decrease means to make your project smaller or to work two stitches together. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to single crochet two stitches together. I'm using white yarn so you can see my decreased stitches easily. I started with one single crochet and now I'm going to single crochet two stitches together. Start by inserting your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That is considered one single crochet. The pattern that we're following here is one single crochet and then single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we have a regular single crochet, and now we single crochet 2 together again. Continue with this pattern until you get to the end of the round. Now you can see instead of our circle becoming bigger, it started to curve up because we decreased the number of stitches in our work.